Elon Musk is the modern-day Tony Stark, a visionary, an inventor, and a disruptor of industries. He has already changed the world with Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and Starlink. But his next big idea? It might just change everything we know about technology, energy, and the way we live. In this video, we're going deep into Elon Musk's next groundbreaking innovation, analyzing its potential, challenges, and the impact it could have on the future of humanity. Section 1. The Mind of Elon Musk. Why he's always one step ahead. To understand what's coming next, we need to understand Elon Musk's mindset. Unlike most entrepreneurs who focus on short-term profits, Musk thinks on a cosmic scale. He's not just building businesses, he's shaping the future of civilization. A look at his game-changing innovations. Tesla, the future of electric cars, brought EVs into the mainstream. SpaceX, colonizing Mars, lowering space travel costs for interplanetary living. Neuralink, the human brain-computer interface, merging AI with the human mind. Starlink, global internet coverage, bringing fast internet to remote areas. The Boring Company, revolutionizing transportation, building underground tunnels for high-speed travel. But what's next? What's the biggest idea yet that Musk is working on right now? Section 2. Elon Musk's next big idea, revealed. 1. X.ai, the ultimate AI powerhouse. You've heard of ChatGPT, right? Well, Musk has a different vision for artificial intelligence, one that could be a game-changer for the entire industry. X.ai is Musk's answer to OpenAI. He believes AI should be open source and not controlled by corporations. His goal? Create Truth GPT, an AI that seeks absolute truth rather than biased responses. Potential? AI-powered robots, self-learning neural networks, and AI-driven space exploration. If Musk succeeds, AI could think and act independently, revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to space colonization. 2. Optimus, the Tesla robot revolution. Imagine a world where robots handle dangerous, repetitive, or boring jobs so humans can focus on creativity and innovation. That's exactly what Tesla's Optimus bot is designed to do. Fully autonomous humanoid robot, capable of performing household and industrial tasks, affordable and scalable for mass production. Musk believes this is the future of labor automation, a world where robots increase productivity and eliminate dangerous jobs. 3. The Tesla cybergrid, the future of sustainable energy. Fossil fuels are dying out, and Musk knows it. His next move? A fully integrated Tesla cybergrid powered by Tesla's mega batteries, solar energy farms, AI-driven energy distribution. This could completely replace traditional power grids, making clean energy more efficient and accessible to everyone. Section 3. How Musk's big idea will disrupt industries. 1. Transportation, the Hyperloop and EV expansion. Imagine traveling from Los Angeles to New York in under 2 hours. That's what the Hyperloop is designed to do. Vacuum-sealed tunnels with ultra-fast pods. Speeds exceeding 700 mph, fully electric and emission-free. Combine this with the upcoming Tesla Roadster 2.0 and self-driving cars, and we're looking at a complete transformation of transportation. 2. Space exploration. The Mars plan becomes reality. Musk doesn't just want to send people to Mars, he wants to build a colony. SpaceX's Starship, fully reusable rockets for affordable interplanetary travel. AI-driven terraforming, using advanced AI to make Mars livable. Starlink expansion, internet on Mars. If Musk's ultimate dream succeeds, humans will become a multi-planetary species. 3. Healthcare, Neuralink's life-changing potential. Neuralink isn't just about brain-computer interfaces, it's about curing diseases and enhancing human intelligence, restoring movement to paralyzed patients, curing neurodegenerative diseases. expanding human intelligence with AI. This could end disabilities as we know them and even help humans compete with AI in the future. Section 4. The challenges and controversies. The challenges ahead. AI ethics and control. Who controls advanced AI? Robot labor replacing jobs. Will automation lead to mass unemployment? Colonizing Mars. The cost and survival risks. Neuralink. The ethical concerns of brain implants. These innovations are exciting but controversial. The big question is, can Musk overcome these obstacles? Section 5. The final verdict. Is this the future? Elon Musk's next big idea isn't just about technology, it's about redefining the way humanity functions. AI that can think for itself. Robots handling dangerous jobs. An energy grid free from fossil fuels. Transportation that makes distance irrelevant. Human settlements beyond Earth. But will he succeed? If history tells us anything, it's that Musk has defied the odds before. And if he pulls this off, we might be looking at the biggest transformation in human history. What do you think? Will Elon Musk's next big idea succeed? Or is this just another billionaire dream that will never happen? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love futuristic tech, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.